we are officially live. Shouts out to the Discord for being here. Guys, let me know, please, how I sound. I should be sounding good. But yeah, please let me know if the volume is a good level, if my voice is a good level. Good morning. Today we are running the shades because we don't need no roads around here. And guys, the title of this video is not, as the hip kids would say these days, cap. Okay, it is not cap. Yeah, man, I don't know. We're gonna go down. I think we're gonna go down. We're gonna talk about it. This is a fresh live short trade that you can see on the bottom right, that way. Bottom right of my screen. And yeah, we're gonna talk about it. So this is a fresh ETH short. This is Ethereum. I am not currently short on Bitcoin because Bitcoin faked out when I was asleep, so I didn't catch the move. But lucky for me, Ethereum did not move in my sleep. So we're gonna talk about a couple things here. We're gonna talk about why I think we're gonna go down. I'm gonna touch up on the video that I gave. So before we do that, guys, do as we do, please, and like the stream if you haven't already. And if somehow you're new here and you clicked on my thumbnail and I did a good job on reaching you, welcome. Obviously, if you're returning, welcome back. And guys, like the stream, join the Discord if you haven't already, you know, all that kind of stuff. All right, let's talk BTC. I sound great. Beautiful. Duna, my boy. Glenn, good morning. Garav, good morning. Chris Logo, good morning. Armis Salu, good morning. How y'all doing? You guys like that little touch I did with the live PNL on the bottom right there? I made it a little bit longer to the left because if it goes into the triple digits, then we can all see how much money I'm making. Anyways, guys, I want to talk about what's kind of going on here, and we are going to talk about it. However, before we do that, let us go over to Discord real quick and have a conversation. So guys, we had this. Okay, we're on the 15. Let's do ETH. By the way, full disclosure, it's a little bit hard for me to see in these shades, but they're not coming out because quality over everything. And these shades are the vibe today. All right, listen. Hear me out. Good morning, M. Bell. We got 27 people in the stream right now and 8 likes, guys. Please hit the like button. Help a brother out. I'm in a fresh Ethereum short that I gave in my VIP Discord, which we're going to talk about. But I want to go over what's going on here. We the North. We are the North. Sadly, I hate Toronto. Anyways, not about that. All right, guys, hear me out. Should we take profits? Is it time to TP? Probably not. Probably not. Let's go with no. Let's chill for now. All right, let's talk, guys. We had the massive pump. Let's go to Bitcoin, actually. Let's talk about Bitcoin. We have a nice little range here. Fine, whatever. We had a massive pump with 10% in one candle. We retraced basically the entire move. Not all of it, but half of it, we'll say, give or take. And then we started to range. As you can see clearly, we have this order block at the top here. We hit it once, and we just hit it twice. The problem with hitting it twice, and the problem is that this happened in my sleep, actually. So, you guys know I hate Asia. But anyway, I don't hate Asia. I hate the Asian session. Let me rephrase. I look like a G with the shades. Thank you, man. Liked and shared across the friends. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Yeah, man, I'm trying to grow as big as I can and get this community as big as possible. So I really appreciate it. But anyways, listen. So we pumped, which we talked about. We started to range, which we talked about. We hit our order block, which we talked about. We hit our order block twice, which we didn't talk about because price has kind of been boring and I haven't really traded it in like a day. Since this big move, I haven't really traded. But let's look at what happened here, okay? So as we came up and we pumped the 10%, give or take, we had bear divs on the 15, right? Bear divs on the 1. We had our nice little golden nugget, which if you don't know what a golden nugget is, it's my market Cipher B strategy that's super top secret and you have to join the Discord to find out. So the link is in the description down below. Excuse me, I'm hiccuping. Okay, And so we're just trading a range right now, right? But let's look at what happened now. So once again, so we had the bear divs up here. Fine. Cool. We came down, we started to range, which typically is what happens. After a big move, we range, or after a big move down, we typically range, right? So we had our big move and we're starting to range. The problem, the scary part right now with Bitcoin, on top of the other stuff that I'm going to tell you in a second here, just internally within this range, let's even get rid of this order block, okay? Actually, we'll keep it. Let's keep it. The order block is obviously a level of resistance. Smart money concepts, a level of resistance. Fine, whatever. We failed to break it once. We took the low. We failed to take it twice. But the second time now that we took it, it's even more concerning. Because if you follow the money flow, right? We always say to follow the money. So from this point, from this high, right? We had a higher high, but money is making a lower high. And what do we say? Money flow is the holy what? The holy grail. So if money flow is the holy grail, and money flow is giving us the bear divs, that's not a very good sign. Now, is it? Right? So, due to that reason alone, we can expect somewhat of a retracement. Now, this could be the retracement straight. It could be, right? But what do we know about ranges? Now we're going to hide the order block. What do we know about ranges? We know that with the ranges, which is this little, square here that I just moved, with our range, we typically will form a range, right? We'll form a range. We know that. But we will fake out the low, fake out the high, fake out the low. And it's essentially a rotational effect, right? Usually when we're in a range, you come to the bottom, then you come to the top. Then you come to the bottom, then you come to the top, whatever. Obviously, you can pull your, your fixed volume profile as such, right? This is our volume for the range. And the idea behind volume is once you lose the value area high, you will typically make your way down to the point of control and make your way down to the value area low, which is exactly what we're doing on Bitcoin as we speak. This we know, nothing new, nothing fancy here, right? But as money flow is coming down and price is making a higher high, we can expect lower, which we got, right? I didn't take the low, the short on Bitcoin because I was sleeping. I already mentioned that. So right now, right off the bat, what makes more sense based on our rotational effect theory, right? When you have a high, you expect a rotation down to the bottom, which you then expect a rotation up to the top, down to the bottom, whatever. We typically will expand the range, right? So in other words, we will SFP certain lows. This, for example, is a very strong SFP, not very strong, a very important SFP level that we should be keeping an eye out for. Okay, so we should be watching this SFP. In addition to that, obviously, we should be, paying attention to the high. I don't believe we're going to come back up to this high, in my opinion. We'll see. I could be wrong. Probably not, though. But this is kind of how we expect a range to go. So in this very local market structure on the 15-minute time frame, we have high, low, lower high, lower low, potentially lower high, and potentially lower low. Where could the lower low take us? We know based on our range theory, right, the rotational effect, that it does make sense now to come and take this low. Now, it doesn't mean we're going to come down to that low 100%. It doesn't mean we're always going to come take that low, right? We can also SFP any of these levels here. So it's not necessarily like, oh, we're coming down for sure. But it does right now, as of now, make sense to continue the move down because of the narrative built using market Cipher B, especially with the money flow. We got bearish divergences on the money flow, which is not obviously a bullish sign, specifically because money flow is king. So right now I am expecting lower. This short that you are, if you're in, great. If you saw the divergences on the 15, on the 10, on the 12, then, it was a very clear short, right? The target, I mean, you should already take profit for sure. But if you haven't already, the target is likely to be the range low. Okay, very likely to be the range low. And this move could actually get a lot worse than that. Okay, it could be a lot worse. By the way, guys, if you haven't liked the video already, please like the video, like the stream, and answer the poll. Let me know if you guys think a dump is coming. Okay. Now let's talk about why this dump could get even way worse than that, okay? It could get way worse than just this. How do I want my middle line? Do I want it to be white or do I like it yellow? No, I like it white. That's nice. Okay. Let's talk about how and why this could be way worse, okay? It could get way worse than just breaking the low. Obviously, we have our vector candle zones, right? Obviously, this is liquidity that we can come and grab, right? This is liquidity that we can come grab. This is a bunch of liquidity that we can come grab. This is just a 10-minute time frame, so this is nothing crazy, right? For whoever may be day trading or swing trading. But, right, we got a lot of liquidity down here. We have this vector candle region that can come and get tapped as well. We kind of have a lot of liquidity down here as well, right? So we're talking $2,000 away we can come down to. In addition to that, for whoever may not have seen the last videos, again, I don't know if you're new here or whatever. In addition to that, so that's more locally. Now we're on the 4-hour time frame. This liquidity we've been talking about for a long time, right? We've been talking about this liquidity for a long time. Remember, retail will draw this trend line and then long here and then get wrecked. Geo does not do what retail does. Geo draws the liquidity line like this. We say, all right, like market makers can make a run for this liquidity. There's a bunch of stop losses. Where's my little highlighter? There's a bunch of stop losses there. There's a bunch of stop losses here. Look at how fast of a move we got up. And we're going to talk about market Cipher B on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, we're going to talk about it more macroly. But look at how big of a move, which seemingly nowhere we got to grab the liquidity that was up here that we've also been talking about. Where's my highlighter? Hello, highlighter. Okay, not working out right now. To grab that liquidity, fine. We have this vector candle zone, which we said, get rid of the middle line, right? We have that vector candle zone. We have this vector candle zone down here as well, which we can absolutely come tap. We have a lot of liquidity below this low. And we have a lot of liquidity below this low. This low we've been talking about for a long time on the channel, right? We have inconsistent lows across market Cipher. Across different exchanges. And usually what happens is when we have a big dump, we will range. And then what do we do? What do we say? We have a big dump, we range. We take the high, we take the low. We haven't taken this low. We have not come back down to this low. So it's safe to say right now that we can come and take the low. And guys, again, it's not rocket science. It doesn't take a genius to say there's a lot of liquidity beneath these lows, okay? And more locally, there's liquidity as well. But there... Okay, I can't see anything with these shades on, by the way. So there's a lot of liquidity below the low, okay? So we can come down pretty significantly. That's why the video is titled the way that it is. Now let's talk about what's happening locally on the 4-hour time frame, okay? What did we just say about divergences with money flow? We just said that there's, big divergence on money flow within this small little range here, right? Look at what's happening on the 4-hour. It is the exact same thing. We have huge bearish divergence, huge bearish divergence with money flow on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, money, although it recently very locally on the 4 hours coming into Bitcoin, overall money's coming out. Overall, you can see very clearly how much of a bull div is this. Ready? This is a give or take a 9% bull div, or bear div, sorry. 9% bearish divergence. 9%, bro. Okay? So, when you have Jason Casper reference, I don't know which one you're referring to, my friend. Are you referring to the uneven butt cheeks? Anyway, this is not uneven butt cheeks, but it is uneven money flow, which is not good. Which is actually even worse than uneven butt cheeks. Anyway, so we have bear divs on money flow on the 4-hour time frame, okay? Obviously not a good sign that we want, but it gets even worse, guys. It gets even worse than that. Let's jump to higher. We said this in my last YouTube video, We SFP'd all these highs. We took the liquidity that we were expecting, and we rejected real quick. Okay? We've been saying that. That's to no surprise. Okay? This now means that this low is a... Oh my, the highlighter tool, bro. By the way, whoever told me there's a TradingView app for Mac, you lied. Because I didn't see one. This low now is a targeted low. Okay? If we closed above this high, which we did not, then this would be a protected low, and we would be targeting the new high, wherever it is. But because we're following market structure, this is now a weak low, and this is now a strong high. So technically, if you're trading, swing trading, based on market structure, you can short really anywhere and put your stop loss above this high. Technically. Now, obviously, the market structure, like, will remain bearish until it isn't, so I don't suggest to do that. However, you could, based on market structure, theoretically do that, right? Now, if we come for this low, why would we not come for the liquidity across all of these lows? When we have a fast move up, as we did, we can very easily have a fast move down, as we might. Let's look at what happened in the past. We had a fast move up, we had our Bart-Simpson pattern, and then the fast move down. This is no different. Okay, this is no different. Now, is the dump gonna happen today? Don't know. Is the dump gonna happen tomorrow, this week, or next week? Don't know. But is the dump coming? The dump is coming, guys. We could range here. We could come up a little bit. You know, for the retail traders, hit the golden pockets and whatever else you guys like to draw. I've kind of strayed away from that. I still use it, but not as much as I did. I have other ways to enter now and other means. But there is a lot of liquidity here. And our narrative that we've been building over time is that the bull market is not here yet. And what better way than to get everybody to FOMO long on the top up here and let market maker build his shorts on this whole way up to eventually come and grab that wick down here. Okay, so my point here is that we're in the range and we're trading the range. And I said this on my VIP Discord. Let's go to my VIP Discord. When we started to SFP, guys, if you're not in the Discord, make sure you join. The link is in the description down below. Thank you for liking my glasses, my friend. Link is in the description down below. I know most of you guys are from my Discord, but nonetheless, if I somehow manage to get you, yeah. Okay, I said somewhere, what did I say? I said we should be prioritizing shorts now. Ah, here. Okay. So the day we had our massive pump, and I was like, guys, it's very important to close above this level. As soon as we did not close above the level, this is what I said. We did not close above our key level. Bitcoin is frogged. And unless we claim the high again, which we might, but I don't know. I don't think so. We're going way lower. We should be prioritizing shorts. So now that we have this in our mind, and we know that the daily is bearish, right? The daily on Bitcoin could give us the uneven butt cheeks, as Jason would say. Our bearish divergence on the daily, this could take us significantly lower. The 4 hour is kind of already starting to look like it will. The 8 hour already is giving us some bear divs here, right? And then the 4 hour we already went over. We should be prioritizing shorts, and we're just trading the range, right? We're scalping the range as we do. So, as I said from the beginning, you could draw your fixed range there. We got the range high, we got the range low. We're in our little box here, cool, whatever. But we should be prioritizing our shorts. When we come above the value area, especially when we deviate the high, we should be looking for shorts, and we should be taking profit on our longs more than we are taking profits on our shorts. Okay? So for that reason, you can see on the bottom right of your screen, I'm up 30% on ETH. So that's Bitcoin, right? We had this fake out on Bitcoin overnight for me because Asia sucks. Let's look at where this was in time, right? It was at 12:45 a.m. my time. Let's come to ETH now. So look at how it looks, right? We were ranging, fake to the high, and then moved down. Look at ETH. ETH never got that. ETH never got ranging, fake to the high, and then down. ETH got kind of this weird, like, wedge thing that people draw, retail draw. I honestly don't even know how to draw it because I don't trade shapes. I'm not a nerd. I follow the money. I didn't do well in geometry, and I'm not gonna start now. But Bitcoin did range up and then down. ETH is doing slow grind up, fake up this wick, right? We took the liquidity, and then not down yet. ETH is usually submissive. ETH follows the dominant, which is Bitcoin, typically. So what's to say that ETH won't do the same? If Bitcoin breaks this low and starts heading down, ETH will absolutely follow Bitcoin and do the same. But ETH will fall harder because ETH has this liquidity just as Bitcoin does. But ETH's low is a lot further than Bitcoin. So ETH can fall a significant amount here. Okay, obviously granted if Bitcoin likes to fall. Guys, if you haven't liked the stream, please make sure to like the stream and answer the poll, please, and thank you. Anyway, very locally on ETH, we also have this pattern. Not pattern, this line of liquidity. And ETH likes to do this. Specifically ETH. This is a characteristic of Ethereum. ETH likes to just chill like that until it doesn't. And then when it doesn't, it absolutely obliterates it. Okay? So ETH can fall hard. We're at the middle of the range on ETH, dead center in the middle of the range. But if we know our rotational effect that we discussed, we have the low, come up to the high, take the high, come down to the low, take the low, come up to the high. So we'll see. We will see. We don't know right now if Bitcoin or if ETH is going to dump in this very moment, but it is possible that it may, and it's possible that we put in our high. So we're shooting for the stars here. You know, we're shooting for the stars. All right, what is the chat saying? We don't need roads, bruv. That's where the shades came from here. All money is in Bitcoin, so they will fall harder. ETH will fall harder because Bitcoin dominance is up. ETH will fall. And are more like, so we have our targets on Bitcoin, right? I'm at some point, and to be honest, I do think we come down before we come up. And that doesn't mean, okay, when I say down before we come up, I mean, I think we're going to break this low. I think we're going to break 26500 before we take this high. So we very well could come up. Oh, whoops. We very well could come up, start ranging up here, and then come down, right? So I'm not saying short this very moment, but a dump, in my opinion, is coming. And right now, it seems like a good time to dump it, if I'm being honest. It does seem like a good time to dump it. Just found your stream, boss man. I'm liking how you explain the charts. You're very welcome, B-Rad. Welcome, welcome, man. I'm glad to have you. And I give live updates on my VIP that you can join for free by DMing my bot the 4-digit code that you're going to hear throughout this stream. And my bot is usually up here, so if you come, you don't need to come here, but he looks like this. His name is @GeoBot. He's just offline right now because I'm streaming. But at the end of every video, I give you guys a 4-digit code, and then you guys just DM my bot the 4-digit code to get into VIP. And then when I post a new video, I purge everybody that's in VIP. So I remove you guys all from VIP, and then you have to DM my bot the new code. And he's usually up here. You'll see him. He's just offline right now. He's sleeping and he's charging. But yeah, man, welcome. All right. Does this work? Does this work for swing trades for people that still have a 9 to 5? How do I get in a trade? Yes, it does work. The way that you would get into a trade is you look at the higher term time frame. So, for example, right, the 4-hour we know has a red dot and it gave us the bearish divergence. You are supposed to like try to front run this red dot, right? So obviously this was an anomaly kind of move and it was very difficult to do so, but theoretically you should be trying to do that. But for you, you got to play the range. You got to play bigger ranges. So I'm scalping, right? Like this is a smaller range. If you're swing trading, you're looking at the range like, you know, back in our old range, you're drawing the range like this. Right? You're drawing your range like this. That's your range if you're swing trading. And then we follow the same basic rules. So you can get your fixed ranged volume profile. Seriously. You can draw your fixed ranged volume profile, like, you know, give or take like that, right? When you're at the value area low, you can expect somewhat of a move to the upside. When you're at the value area high, you can expect somewhat of a move to the downside, right? When you're down in the lows of the range, which this is a weird range because we have inconsistent lows, but let's just say we did it like this and we had it like this, right? When you take the high, you expect a rotational effect to the downside. When you take the low, you expect a rotational effect to the upside. You know, very simple like that. All right, let's zoom in now. My trade is only 8% up. It's a good thing I took profits and my stop loss is at the entry. Oh, it's not at the entry, but I did take profits, so I guaranteed I'm at least break even. The 4 digits comes at the end of this stream. Gonna have to make some dinner soon, might be AFK. So I typically on the live streams, I give you guys the code 3 times throughout the video. And then on the YouTube videos, they're like scattered through the video. And the idea behind it is to manipulate my watch time. I'm being very honest with you. But it's also because I teach a lot, it helps you guys learn. So it's a win-win really for everybody. But I'll give you guys the 4-digit code right now. Let's make it 1577. 1577 is your VIP code for this video, for this stream. And then today's gonna be a shorter stream because I got some errands to run. But obviously I'm gonna keep you guys updated in the Discord. But that's kind of what I'm thinking. It's what I'm thinking right now. We got a lot of liquidity below us. We got the bear divs. And you guys know how I trade. I say this all the time. If you lose and you get upset about losing, you're not trading right. When I lose, I'm not mad because I did everything right. Like if I follow the rules, I'm not mad because I did everything right. I took profits where I was supposed to take profit. I moved my stop loss when I was supposed to move my stop loss. And sometimes trades just don't play out. Right now we have the bear divs, right? We have bear divs with money flow, but it might not play out because we also have hidden bull divs on the momentum waves, right? And we know the order of operations. The order of operations is VWAP. I've drawn this many times, so I'm gonna draw it for the new people, right? VWAP is a leading indicator for the momentum waves, which is a leading indicator for the money flow. And our goal is to predict the money flow. That is our objective. But this is your order of operations. Guys, for the ones that are new, number one, if you haven't joined the Discord, make sure you join the link in the description down below. Second of all, if you haven't, if you're new, and I mean this in a very humble way, although it's not gonna sound humble, I am literally the best person on the planet at reading market Cipher B. I swear. I'm so good at it. Like I've been staring at that thing for like 3 years straight. And a lot of the times people are like, oh, we could do this, we could do this. And I'm like, yo, it is so obvious that we're gonna do this. Just saying. I look like Bret the Hitman Hart. He's Canadian. So am I. But he's from Montreal. Okay. So you guys have the code. Let's see if we can dump, man. I want to get this dump right now. Let's see. I want like dump it, man. Dump it. We grab the liquidity to the upside. It makes sense to come to the downside. Guys, how y'all feeling today? How is everybody feeling? I want a more active chat. Give me some activity, my friends. I feel like the Discord people are asleep today. Where are y'all? Let me see. Yo, shout out to the Discord, man. We're over 1,000 people now. That is so crazy. I've been doing this for like 5 months. It's so crazy. Had a fantastic few days of trading. Nice. Feeling sugar addicted? Wait, why? Are you eating cookies and stuff? All thanks to me, you can actually see. I appreciate it. Yo, listen, guys, do me a favor. Do me a favor. What's up, bruv? Listen. Oh, from Wisconsin. Nice. Listen, guys, do me a favor. It seems like we have a couple of new people in the chat. My Discord people, come through for me. Let them know the value that I provide for free. Please do that for me. Guys, the newcomers, welcome. Guys, check in the comments. Let them hear it out for like over me. That didn't make sense. let them tell you over me. How about this? Give me the chicken emoji or whatever if y'all been getting value. Let's let the new people know to join the Discord. Let's build the community as big as we can. Guys, I'm a small channel. I've grown pretty quick relative to other channels. And I'm not just saying it, man. I may look like a douche with the shades on right now, but I provide a lot of value for these guys. So to the new people, welcome. To the old people, my OGs, welcome back. That's my tagline. That's my greeting. All right, man, let's dump it, baby. Geo literally gives you x-ray glasses, boy. Found the pot of gold. Geo is a must if you are trading. For real, I thought he's the best YouTuber for real until I came across Geo. We got the golden nuggets. Geo's top notch. Geo literally gave you x-ray vision. Oh, I already read those. You found the pot of gold. This dude lit. Chicken. That's it. To the newcomers, the reason we talk about chickens is because we have a golden nugget strategy that's secret on Market Cipher. Not even crypto face. I mean, man, I'm sorry. Like, I think I can read Market Cipher better than crypto face, honestly. Jay doesn't talk about the golden nugget. Nobody talks about the golden nugget. It is a term that we invented. You want to learn right away? Here's the place to do that. Man, y'all are I know I asked for it, but y'all are making me all tingly inside. Geo's sunglasses is a representation of his trading. What's up, my boy? Make sure the reflection doesn't show something that might compromise my account. Yeah, don't worry. I don't have I'm not gonna say the website, but I showed you guys the chat, my Google history on the VIP Discord live stream. By the way, guys, I also live stream exclusively on Discord for the VIP people. Glasses given Geo big hang lows. Yeah, maybe. Maybe I'm going to a concert tonight, so maybe I'll bring them. Guys, like the stream if you haven't already. Make sure you hit the subscribe button with the notification bell. What's up, Wolf and Bear? Good morning. How y'all doing? Bro, CryptoFace owes you shares of his Market Cipher company. Yo, listen, I'm going to tell you guys this right now, okay? I'm going to tell you guys this right now. And I don't mean this in like, listen, I want to say, I can be conceited, right? When I'm right, I'm like, oh, I told you so and all that. I can be like that, yes. But I want to, like, remain humble. I am very humble, and I'm very grateful to have this community. I believe that one day I will be on Jay's channel telling his community about the golden nugget. I believe that the golden nugget and that cheat sheet entry, which are two strategies that I invented, are going to be a staple in Market Cipher. And I believe that eventually CryptoFace will make a tutorial on his channel on Market Cipher to help sell it, talking about the golden nugget. And the name golden nugget will stick, and I will forever be associated with the golden nugget. I believe that. And I don't mean that in a cocky way. I don't mean it in a cocky way. Do I have a special diet? I eat very clean. I do eat very clean. Man, I was on my grind, and I've kind of fallen off in the last couple months. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I've fallen off in the past couple months, but although I'm a huge advocate of becoming a high value man, you know, getting as much, just being as healthy as possible, strong body, strong mind, you know, like the garbage eating and stuff. I don't do that. Although I'm a huge believer in that. I think that, like, and I've been goofing on it, right? The last 2 months I haven't been gymming consistently. I'm very small right now. I'm super small right now. I look like super small right now. I was a lot more juiced. But I've been putting in that work in my YouTube, in my business, right? I'm trying to build a business, and I've been working, and ask these guys, man, I've been working like 15, 16-hour days. I do one-on-one coaching. I do live streams on Discord all the time. I do live streams on YouTube. I make videos. I do content. I'm trading. So, although I've been off my game with the gym, which I'm gonna get back into, I've been babying the business. You know, I'm trying to build something. What year was I born? I was born in 94. December 29th, 1994. I turned 29 in 2 months. Where's the treadmill? I haven't ordered it yet, but I'm going to. Yes, I shared the code. This is gonna be the second time I share the code now. I'm gonna share it one more time after this because today's not gonna be a super long stream, but 1577 is the code, I think. Yeah, 1577. Yeah, and I don't sleep. Gio, have you not found if I lack healthy eating, going to the gym, that your trade suffers? No. I've actually been killing trading more because I'm not. Usually what happens when I'm at the gym is things go down when I'm at the gym and I miss the trades. Did Bitcoin take the low? Oh, we took that low. No, we're gonna come lower, I think. We're gonna come lower. You graduated in 94. Oh, Zorzi, you're a 94 also? Yes, sir! Dump it, baby! So I told you guys, I'm not short on Bitcoin, unfortunately, because Asia sucks and they did this in my sleep. But if I was awake, I would have done it. Also, my alerts didn't go off. Like, this alert didn't go off. These alerts didn't go off, so it's very unfortunate. Anyways, nonetheless, fine. I caught the ETH short. So hopefully ETH follows suit. And we're looking pretty nice right now. We're looking pretty juicy right now. Look at the percentage, baby. 44. Watch the number increase. So guys, you see how I'm short right now, and I'm talking to you guys, and I'm doing TA, and I'm explaining it, and I'm building a narrative. When you're trading, this is how you have to trade. Okay? This is how you have to trade. You have to trade like this. Look at how I'm not like biting my nails, and I'm not like micromanaging my trade, and that means, number one, I'm practicing good management. I'm not over leveraged. I don't have too big of a position size, right? Bro, never tell others your birthday. Why? Why not? Why not, my friend? Okay, so woo, Bitcoin right now, if Bitcoin bounces from here, which I'm not convinced that it will, but if it does, technically this is bullish CVD. Wait, why? Why can't I tell people my birthday? You're 2003? Oh my goodness. So you're 20? Honestly, like, '20 was a good year. You're the FBI? No, but okay, listen, actually, all jokes aside, like, why is it not a good idea to do that? I won't do it if it's, you know. Yo, ETH is coming so hard down. Easier for people to steal my accounts? Maybe. But the thing is I don't put my real birthday on my accounts. Because it's common to have my birthday in my recovery. Yeah, I don't do that. I'm not stupid. But I appreciate the concern. But my birthday on my accounts is not even my real birthday. Okay, let's follow Bitcoin because ETH will follow Bitcoin. Let's pull up our EMAs. Guys, if you haven't already, please like the screen. Please like the stream, hit the notification bell, subscribe, do all the things. Sign up to my Mexi referral link, which is down below. If you don't have an exchange, Mexi's the cheapest on exchange. 0.00% taker fee, 0.01% maker fee. Or the other way around. Okay, what does it mean if... Hold on, my music is so loud. What does it mean when CVD goes up, price goes down, but open interest goes up? Okay, hold on. I gotta draw this out. What does it mean when CVD goes up? Okay, so CVD goes up. Price goes down. Price goes down, but open interest goes up. What does it mean? It means that more people... Okay, so the thing with CVD is market... Like, okay, your CVD shows you the direction of the trades, right? Open interest are if positions are opening or closing, right? So if open interest is increasing, then positions are opening. CVD shows you the direction of those positions. It shows you whether it's more longs or more shorts. But the thing that you probably don't know is that it only shows you market longs and market shorts, okay? So when you're looking at CVD, there's no such thing as limit orders in this little indicator. You can't see it. We are blind to limit orders, okay? So if more positions are coming into the market and those positions are longs, right? So more people are market longing, right? More people are market longing, but price is not making a higher high, or price is not going up. There's only one explanation for why price is not going up, and the explanation is that market makers have limit sell orders here, and that these market longs that are coming into the market are being absorbed by these limit sells, which is pushing the price down. So that is why when you see this, it is a bearish sign. That's what's called absorption. But the key to know is that CVD only shows you the market longs and market shorts. It doesn't show you the limit orders. So we are trying to identify where the limit orders are based on what price is doing relative to the market longs and shorts. Did I not just absolutely nail that description? I say this like at least once a day. I should be a public speaker. All right, easier to dox you, sure, I guess. A bunch of young bucks up in here. Yes, sir. We're trying to become high value men. We pumping back up. I'll watch Bitcoin in a second here. When did I start trading and how much did it take me to be where I am? I started trading at the top of 2021. I bought Dogecoin at 1 cent, not knowing what I was doing. And then I made a lot of money and I lost a lot of money. And then I was working a 9-to-5 job at a bank here in Toronto, TD, and I hated it, and I hated being told what to do. I hated being told, like, if can I go, sorry, master, can I go on vacation? Like, my whole life revolves around you. I'm a slave to the modern day 9-to-5. Please, master, can I go on vacation? And they gotta approve it. Like, yo, I decided that life is not for me. I need the freedom. And so I kind of, after losing a lot of money, I sat my ass down and I learned the discipline. I bought Jay's trading course, and I learned everything I knew from him and from Traders Reality on YouTube. So shouts out to Tino, shouts out to Jay. And I just started, you know, I had some capital already, and I started practicing until now. I honestly believe like I'm a sniper with it. And specifically market Cipher B, like I've been staring at this thing for 3 years, and I say it all the time. If you guys want to learn market Cipher, get on the 1 minute time frame and just watch it like it's television. I don't watch TV. I don't have time to sit and watch shows and movies. I have to make money. I don't have time for that. So, you know, that's kind of how it came to be. And then I went full time maybe like a year ago ish. CVD and price goes up, but open interest goes down. If open interest, wait, hold on. CVD and price goes up. Man, I have a whole video on CVD. You gotta go watch it. Top Geo dude. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's up, my Geo dudes and Geo dudettes? I like that. Y'all are my Geo dudes. What's good? I'm Ash. CVD. Okay, I'm gonna try to answer this. CVD and price goes up. I gotta draw it, man. I can't just do it based on that. I literally have to draw it. So price goes up, CVD goes up, and open interest goes down. So if open interest is going down, then positions are closing, but more market longs are coming in the market. So this is a short squeeze, essentially. This is a short squeeze. Because if price is going up, if market longs are coming in and price is going up, that's expected. But because open interest is going down, these market longs are like either short liquidations or people closing their shorts. So it's a short squeeze, essentially. Mad props to you, Geo. I appreciate it, sir. Do I regret resigning and having the security? Not at all, man. For me, to be honest, like, okay, I'm 28 years old, right? Now, like, I'm not married, I don't have kids. Now is the time to like take the chances and take the risks. And I'm almost at a point where I have like consistently been able to make more money. Not trading. I'm not talking about my trading now, because trading, I'm obviously making enough to make a living. But I'm at a point almost where just doing my content as I'm doing and doing my boot camps and my courses and stuff, I'm making as much as I was at TD per month. All right, let's see. So for me, the security is actually doing this. I would rather get paid a lot less, and then I will be way more secure down the line, because content is evergreen, right? You guys can go to my old videos at all times, and I did the work one time and I'll get paid for life on how many views it gets. So this is actually the safe option, in my opinion. It's risky working a 9 to 5. You're gonna slave away your entire life. That is what's risky, in my opinion. Any tips for traders who are trading for like 6 or 12 months? Yeah. You're gonna blow your account at least 5 times. You're gonna lose. No matter how well you think you know it, you're going to lose. You might win a little bit. You might think you're in God mode and you figured it out. It's gonna take one bad trade to blow your account, and it's going to happen inevitably. You're gonna revenge trade, you're gonna tilt, you're gonna do all the things, but you're gonna get wrecked. So my advice to you is, no matter how well you think you know it, don't trade with a lot of capital. Blow a $10 account 5 times as opposed to blowing a $1,000 account 5 times. Learn the game. It's gonna take you at least a year, at least 1 year, in my opinion. Learn the game. Don't use a lot of capital. Focus on the percentages. Right? This trade that I'm in right now, I'm up 40%. This trade, I know my position sizes. I know my risk management. If your normal position size is $1,000, then you're up $400 right now, right? Cool. If you don't know what you're doing, you could get lucky and you could win the 400, but you're gonna lose it tomorrow. I guarantee you, like, no doubt, right? So if you put $1 on the trade, you can pretend, oh, you can pretend that you're up 400, but you're actually only up 40 cents. But that's fine, because we're following the percentages. We're not following the actual position sizes and stuff. Bro loves JC. Man, listen, like, he's a big influence to what I'm doing right now. To be honest, I wouldn't be where I'm at right now without him. So I wouldn't say love is the right word, because I am my own individual and I'm doing my own thing. But I am very appreciative of JC, and I owe him a lot of thanks at the very least. Bro, Loom USDT, how can we capture the trend? It falls like dope. Bro, I'm gonna be honest with you. When we're talking about shite coins, can't say the other word because we're on YouTube, it's very difficult to trade these kind of coins, man. Like, I don't really have anything to say about it. Wow. Whoa! Man, you can't trade this. Basically, in short, you can't trade it. Like, you can't. I did not know it even did that. That's crazy. What's AMC doing? What time is it? I gotta go get a haircut soon. Anyway, yeah, I did not expect it to go down that low. What is it called when Geo draws trends? Geographic cricket. Yeah, we don't, oh, geographic. Yeah, National Geographic. Or geometry. Geometry. All right. Any cheat sheet entry? We'll go over that in a minute. You need to stop that. Good talk. At the year and 10K down this year. Yeah, man, that hurts. But you got to listen. Trading is consistent, okay? You might win a lot of money right away in one day, but you're going to blow it tomorrow. And remember this. Remember this. Whoever asked me this, I'm not going to go back up. I apologize. Whoever asked me this. By the way, like the video if you haven't already done so. Whoever asked this, and I say this all the time, you can lose money twice as fast as you can make money, okay? If you blow 50% of your account, it will take you 100% of gains to get back to where you were. In other words, you can lose money twice as fast as you can make money. The game, despite what you may think, is not to make money. The game is to protect your capital. Learn the game. Use the percentages. Stop trading with more money than you're willing to lose, because you're gonna lose it. You blew your account. You blew 4 accounts, but you're learning. Listen, I've blown more than 4 accounts. I blew like, honestly, 10, 15 accounts. I'm not even joking. Learn from my mistakes. I'm where I am right now. Listen, take it from somebody. Look, if you want to become a millionaire, you got to learn from a millionaire, right? If you want to become a trader, you got to learn from a trader. Obviously, I'm doing this well enough to make a living off of it. You guys don't know my position sizes, and you guys will never know my position sizes because it's not your business. But you can see that I'm doing this. I'm here full time. I'm here all day, every day. Learn from what I'm telling you. You are going to blow your account. No matter how much money you make, and no matter how much hopium you have right now, you're gonna blow it. So use small position size. Use $10. Learn the game, and then hammer in the money. Because the goal is not quick hopium. Dopamine. That's not the game. Consistency over time is what's gonna make you a living. Okay, you took 1.5 years off trading just to watch great people and the market cipher. Wish you could got wrecked AF the first go around. Yeah, man, I wish I knew what I was doing when I invested in Doge. I'll say that. Dump again already. Just missed TP. I think we're fine, man. I think we're fine. You were talking about 5-minute time frame of yesterday's charts. Top Geo, go bald with the cigar. If I could go bald, one day I will go bald. Because my hairline is receding already. Look at that. Like, that is so bad. But one day I will go bald. And I need to get really jacked, though. I have to get, like, huge. And especially because I'm 5'3". Like, because I'm 5'3", I gotta get absolutely huge. Alright, let's see if we have any cheat sheet entries in the chat. By the way, are you guys digging my color scheme here? I kind of changed it around. I'm kind of digging having this like background. Okay, I can't see anything though. I'll say this: these shades, I literally can't see anything. It's so funny that you're taking advice from somebody that looks like this right now. I like forgot I even had it on. Oh man. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Let me use my market cipher expertise. We're fine, man. We got no golden nuggets. We're good. We're chilling. I'm holding it short. Boys, stop trying to make money. Gotta think trading not to lose money. Exactly. Listen, think of it as a game. I agree. Think bigger than millionaire. 100% I agree with that, by the way. I'm trying, man, I say it all the time too. I'm trying to buy a Tesla yacht. Everyone's like, oh, when Lambo, when Lambo. I'm like, you puny peanut brains, Lambo. I'm trying to buy a Tesla yacht. Maybe when Elon stops doing dumb stuff like the stuff on Mars, I'll get one. Have a good day. See you later, bro. Yeah, man. So listen, you got to learn the game. And I use the analogy of like LeBron James all the time. LeBron is a millionaire because he knows how to play basketball, right? He's the best in the world. He didn't learn how to become the best basketball player to become a millionaire. That's the wrong way. You don't trade to make money. As crazy as that sounds, You trade to win, not to make money. When you win, the money is a byproduct of your trades, right? That's why it shows you the percentages. All right. Just go bald. It will help with the process of getting jacked right away. Potentially, man. Potentially. But I'll tell you this, too. Because I'm 5'3", everybody will see my bald-ass head if I go bald. So, we'll see. Not everybody can pull it off like you, Hoser. Yo, Hoser, I'm gonna make you a YouTube moderator. Manage blocking words and change chat modes. Okay, so I'm gonna make you a mod. You're always in the stream, so I'm gonna make you a mod on the stream. Hey Gio, you got the same hair problem, same hairline, and 5'5". Yeah. Yo, listen, short kings, bro. I wouldn't change my height if I could, because I have a huge personality. I believe that I have a huge personality because I'm short. Like, you know, the small people make the most noise, and I have a huge personality, and I wouldn't change who I am personality-wise for the world. This is kind of conceited, but I actually think I'm the best. Like, some people are just like middle average. I'm extreme with everything in my life, and I'd rather have it that way. Since trading, your hairline faded away. That's funny. Taking 1.5 years off trading to learn is the smartest thing you could have ever heard. Yeah, man. You don't always... Sometimes the best play is to not be in the market. The market doesn't always give you a clear direction. You blew 2 accounts for 13K before you took a step back. So imagine you learned you blew 2 accounts that were $100 instead of 13,000. See what I'm saying? Like, learn the game. 5'3". Yes, sir. I am 5'3". Okay, so Gio, I started in crypto a while ago, but I figured out I'm good at Forex. You think you should shift there? Do whatever's best for you, man. I can't tell you. I can't answer that for you. Do whatever is best for you. I'm actually thinking of dabbling into Forex. You be like a bulldog. Yeah, bro. I have a huge personality, man. Like, huge. And you guys see it. Listen, whoever is in the Discord, and especially joins the Discord live streams where I can say whatever I want with no repercussions, and I would get canceled like a million times over. But I'm real. That's the difference. And I don't care. Like, who's gonna stop me? That's why I left TD. TD's trying to tell me what to say and what not to say. Like, get out of here. Get out of my face. Don't tell me what to do. Hoser, what it does, I think, you're my first YouTube mod, but you can like monitor the chat. So if bots start coming in and like spamming, you can delete messages and block people and put people on timeout, etc. Yeah, you can block people too. Hey Gio, how do I scale in the market? So typically what you want to do is you're not going to really trade unless you're at a key level, typically. Unless you're scalping and you know what you're doing, but in which case you will still be looking for a key level. Okay, by the way, we got some red expansion candles away from the 50 EMA. If you don't know what that means, go and watch my last videos to the new people. And by the way, guys, like the stream if you haven't already. We got 53 likes, but we got 72 people in the chat right now. So either you guys literally recently got your fingers chopped off or you don't like me. One of the two. And I feel like it can't be the second one because I'm very likable. Anyway, so this is what you do. Let's pretend that this is our zone. Pretend we have a nice short zone here. We got an order block, whatever it may be. Let's do order block. We got an order block here, okay? Why does it keep this background? No, not the background, the line. Get rid of that. Okay, this is our order block, right? This is what we do. If we start to see the divergences on market Cipher B, right? We're on the 15. Let's come down to the 5. Let's come down to the 5, right? If we start to see the divergences, so let's see, let's say market Cipher B is looking like this. Okay, it's looking like this at the moment, and price is doing this. Seriously? Price is doing this. Okay? We can say ahead of time that, all right, if we get a move up to our level here, this very well may give us a bearish divergence that we're expecting, right? We're expecting that. So what do? We set our limit orders because market Cipher B looks good for like a bear div. We set our limit orders as such. obviously with our stop loss, right? The position that we're gonna take would be like this. And you need to have a very clear, definitive stop loss. So let's just say our stop loss is a little bit above where the order block is, like that. And we're targeting down here. Okay, let's just say, cool. Fine, whatever. We set our limit orders as such. Now, we don't know where the price is going to react from. So let's say this happens. Let me make it 4. Let me make it 4 so it's an even number. So it's nice and easy. Okay, you set your limit orders. Price comes up and taps 2 of the orders and starts to reject. Okay, you have 2 options. Option 1 is, I guess you have 3 options. Option 1 is to let, okay, let's just say your position size is $100 and each one of these are $25, okay? Just for easy numbers' sake. Obviously, you're gonna do your own calculation, your own risk management, fine. Your first 25 gets hit, your second 25 gets hit. So your normal position size you want to be is $100, let's just say. But now you're only in $50. You have two choices, or 3 choices. Number 1 is you can just ride the move down with your $50 and call it a day. Fine. Option 2 is potentially wait for another bear div, which may happen, right? Depending on how thick money flow is. Potentially wait for another bear div if you truly believe that price is going to come up to here. And if it doesn't, you miss it, whatever. Option 3, which is the option that I typically opt for, is I will, so remember, only 2 of our 4 limit orders of $25 each for this example got hit. So what I will do is once I start to see the rejection, I will mark it in the remaining of my position with my still very consistent stop loss. Now, because I would have calculated my risk, these positions that I was comfortable entering up here that we didn't hit I'm now entering down here, right? But if the stop loss remains the same, then the positions need to be smaller. So instead of me going in 25 and 25 on these remaining 2 positions, like instead of me going in $50, I might go in like $30 or $40 just for the sake of this example. Because we have to maintain our money, our risk management. My goodness, my brain just had a stroke there. But that's how you enter when you have a key level, for sure. That's how you enter. By the way, guys, if you don't know, MEXC is the cheapest exchange when it comes to fees. 0.0% maker fee, 0.01% taker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means, then you know that it's basically free. And I have a link in the description down below. And where's my this guy here? Hold on. I should have prepared this before. So unprofessional of me. Give me 1 second, my friends. And bam. Okay, first of all, show me an affiliate link that has a face this handsome. Number 1. And number 2, you guys get bonuses and stuff, right? So if you deposit $500, you get $10. Whoa. Listen, that $10 is $10 more than you had before, okay? It's free Subway. Do you want free Subway or not? You're going to trade anyway. So the link is in the description below. Make sure you go and you help give me the juice. I appreciate you guys always, obviously. How do I grow a $100 account? You get really good at trading and you scalp. Those are really ADHD characteristics. Got the same for real. Very righteous, super extreme in everything we do. Very creative, energetic, great humor. Yeah, man. I am. It's. Dude, I have ADHD AF. Loud and proud, baby. Oh, you got the answer. Okay, cool. Yes, sir. Hoser got the power. Small engines turn faster. Short kings be like that. Yo, listen. That's exactly it. That's exactly it, guys. Short kings, man. And by the way, don't let height deceive you. I have been with girls that are over 6 feet tall. Tall girls love Geo. I'll tell you that. And Geo loves tall girls. Actually, Geo loves all girls. I do not discriminate based on height. I discriminate based on weight, because weight you can control. Yo, Gio, how are things, man? Not been trading so much, but thanks for all the winning trades in the last month. You're very welcome, my friend. You are very welcome. I'm glad that you're part of the community. There's your key, guys, to number 1. Like the stream if you haven't already. Hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you guys can get my updates in a timely fashion. But more importantly, join the Discord because I give you guys real-time updates all the time on exactly what I'm thinking. Oh, cool. That's funny. That's actually really funny. That's sick. Thank you for that, Van Zan. That's dope. But yeah, I give you guys real-time updates on what I'm thinking, you know. By the way, Hoser, you like your Send News channel? I tried to make it like Send Nudes, but I don't think people would have gotten it. So I wanted to put a D there, like N-E-W-D-S. And I don't think I could have put brackets. Can I put brackets? Yeah, I can't put brackets. Yeah, I wanted to make it Send Nudes. Stupid. Anyway, yeah, guys, I give you guys the updates in my VIP. I tell you exactly what I'm thinking. Look at this, right? So this morning, the ETH trade that I gave, right? That being said, ETH looks like it's clear as day. We got 3x golden nuggets with bear divs. This was at 1578, and although, what are we at now? I don't even know what we're at now. That was $8 ago. Not a huge move so far, but we have potential. This has legs to really go down, right? So I give you guys these levels in advance. I give you guys the trade setups. I give you guys what I'm thinking in terms of market cipher. I give you guys my positions. Yo, ETH earlier this week, I gave you guys this ETH short with a $4 stop loss. I gave you a very clear invalidation. Very, very clear. $4 stop loss. Here was the Bitcoin short that was over here. Let's get our order block again. Right? This short right here, I gave you guys was right here. And this level I gave you in advance. Where's the level? Let me see it. Oh, I gave you guys the order block in this video. I'm not gonna play it. Should I play it? All right, guys, very quick update for the people that didn't catch the live this morning. Managed to get up here. Okay, so the order block is there. I'm not gonna actually play the video, but you can see the order block is there. Then it played out, and I told you guys I entered it. I gave you guys the stop loss. So my point is, you get value from my free VIP Discord. So make sure you join by DMing my bot the 4-digit code that you hear throughout the stream. Today's stream, the code is 1577, and that's the last time I say it for this stream. So when my bot is online, which is not yet, and I purge everybody, you guys are gonna send the code, and then that's how you're gonna enter it. What is this TR main? Give me 1 second, I'll explain it. You finna sign up? Thank you, man. Guys, if you're gonna sign up to any exchanges, use my affiliate links, please. I give a lot of free value and it helps support me, which is gonna help support you because I'm helping you guys. What do I think of TRB? I don't really have time to look into that right now. I'm sorry, my friend. Were you bad at school? Because I got ADHD as well and sucked at school. No, I was pretty good at school, but I was only good at the topics that I had interest in. And anything I didn't have interest in, like, I could not care less. What is the down target for Bitcoin? Go watch the beginning of the stream. I talk about it. You climb in trees. What is the golden nugget? Oof, that's a good question. Join the Discord and ask the people what the golden nugget is, and they will direct you to a live stream. I'm not gonna go over it now. The golden nugget is a secret I kept close to my heart, and I gave it on one stream. I spilt the beans on one of my streams, and if you wanna know, you gotta go watch that stream. Okay, we're gonna talk about TR main in just a second. You've traded $3 to 70, then to 0, $10 to 130, then to 0, 30 to 400, now at 150. That's exactly my point. Guys, like, and I'm not trying to come at you right now. God. I'm saying this. This is why I say focus on the percentages, you know? Practice the good risk management. There is no nobility in poverty, as my boy Leo says in The Wolf of Wall Street, the greatest movie of all time. There's no point in making $1,000 today and then losing $1,000 tomorrow. It doesn't mean anything. You just get dopamine. And we ain't about dopamine around here. We're about consistency. We're about discipline. What's the Discord VIP code? I don't know if you asked me that before I said it, but, you know. Golden nugget, and what's the golden pocket? The golden pocket is your Fibonacci tool. I'll show you. I'm not gonna tell you the golden nugget. Golden nugget, you gotta go watch a stream. Let me tell you which stream it is. This is the stream that you need. Look at this, by the way, the picture that my someone in my community made for me. Look at me with all the chicken nuggets. Okay, so let's talk about the golden nugget. Or not, let's not talk about the golden nugget, but let's I think it was this stream. Yeah, this stream here. So come to my YouTube. Head over to my YouTube. If you haven't already liked the video, like the stream, make sure you like the stream. But come over to my YouTube, go to live, and come to this video here, 6 days ago. Was it, which one was that? Yeah, October, wait. Oh, I lied. Whoa, where am I? Hold on. Hold on. Everybody, hold on. Okay, it was the stream of, the stream before the 12th. The stream before the 12th. The stream before the 12th. Yeah, market dumping. Okay, this one. Come over here, 6 days ago. Come and watch this video. If you want to know what the golden nugget is. It is only... I'm the only YouTuber. I don't even want to call myself a YouTuber. That's lame. But I'm the only one that's ever talked about this. And we named it the golden nugget. I don't remember who named it that. It wasn't me. I didn't name it, but I came up with the idea of it. It's a secret market Cipher B strategy. Signal, actually. And then the golden pocket is very, very easy. Let's come to a blank chart. Let's go BTC USD Coinbase, okay? The golden pocket is when you pull your Fibonacci tool from any swing high to swing low on whatever time frame you like, right? Let's just say from here. You pull your fib from the swing low to the swing high. Okay? And it is your retracement from the 6.5. In between the 618 and the 6.5 is your golden pocket. So when you come to your settings, mine is all white because I just like it better. But for you, it's gonna look like this. You need to change a couple of the values. Make sure one is 0.618 and one is 0.65. And basically, it's just the number of retracement. So what this means, so these are percentages, right? If I change the values and I change them to percents, you can see they're just percentages, right? Now, if I remove everything else, all these other percentages, 23%, 38%, right? I don't really look at them very often. If I remove all that, okay? All this means, the golden pocket, is that from the move from here to here, right? We moved up 20%. The pullback, the retracement, this 60% indicates that we took back 61% of this 20% move to the upside. So we went 20% move up, and then we recovered 60% of this 20% move to the upside. And that is our golden pocket. And the reason it's important is because usually the golden pocket, why is this moving on its own? I don't even know how I did that. Usually what happens is the golden pocket is a very reactive zone. All right, this is the last time actually I give you guys the VIP code. I gave it to you 4 times this time. Breaking my rules here. But the VIP code for this video is 1577. Okay, that's the last time I give it. Yeah, you guys like my nuggets though? It's funny. That is funny. That is very funny, man. Very funny. All right, what time is it? Okay, guys, I gotta head out because I got a haircut. And I got a concert later today. So as always, I'm going to update you guys in the VIP Discord. So if you haven't joined, make sure you join the VIP Discord. Don't send the bot. Well, you can't even send the bot the code right now because the bot is charging. But as soon as I purge you guys, which I will make an announcement in the Discord, that is when you can send the VIP code. And I will obviously keep you guys updated as the day goes. But I do got some things that I got to do today. And I'm going to send y'all videos of the concert tonight. So, yeah, you guys know my positions. I closed my longs I will continue to trade the range, but you guys can see my percentage that is not as low as I would like. Sorry, as high as I like right now. Nice, man. I like to see people joining. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. And guys, of course, make sure you you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you answer the poll. I'm gonna end the poll right now. Let me see who answered what. So we got 105 votes, 73 votes, 77% Bitcoin is gonna dump. 77 said Bitcoin's gonna dump. 22 say Bitcoin is not gonna dump. 100 votes, man. Thank you guys. How do you watch the Golden Nugget video? This is what you do. You come to my YouTube. You come to my live, click live, and then you click on this video. This is what you do. I'm gonna pin it. You go and you watch that video. That's the secret sauce. That's the golden nugget right there. Okay, let's zoom in. We've been talking this whole stream, man. It's very clear I can just run my freaking mouth. We're fine, man. We're fine. I think the shorts are fine. Unless we start to close above 28417. If we start to close above 284, man, I actually can't see anything. I don't know how I did this whole stream. This level, 28426 is the key level for you guys to pay attention to. If we start to close above this level, then okay, we might need to get out of our shorts. Not that I'm in a Bitcoin short, I'm in my ETH short. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. But yeah, guys, go watch that YouTube video if you want to know what the golden nugget is. It's super secret, top secret strategy. And I say this all the time, and you're no exception. I know you're new, and I'm glad to have you. Welcome. But I have to be fair to all of my people. If anybody leaks the golden nugget, if I see it leaked anywhere, if somebody comes new in the Discord and they're like, yo, what's the golden nugget? And somebody answers with not giving the link to that stream, I want to, like, you're getting booted immediately. You get kicked out of the Discord immediately. No cheat sheet entries. No cheat sheet entries right now. Yes, sir. Rewatch is watching the golden nugget right now. That's what we love to see, man. That's what we love to see. That is what we love to see. Okay, guys, I'm gonna head out. Appreciate all y'all. If you haven't liked the stream already, like the stream. If you need to just, join the Discord. Sign up with my Mexi link. Sign up with my BingX links. All of the things. I freaking lost my voice. I've been talking for the last hour and a half nonstop without water. And my tea is empty. So, I will see you guys, depending on how intoxicated I get tonight. Perhaps I will see you during the Brinks tomorrow. And perhaps tomorrow we'll actually talk more Brinks. But, I mean, really, like, nothing's different. I'm going to update you guys in the Discord as I do, but we're just in a range, guys. We're just trading a range. Nothing crazy to write home about yet. We are simply trading a range. Nothing more, nothing less. We are in a range, right? And Bitcoin is more obviously in a range than, let's get rid of this line. Bitcoin is very, very clearly in a range that is more clear and concise than ETH, right? This is our range. Let's get rid of the order block. Let's hide this boy. Wow, my computer's like starting to lag because of the stream. This is our range right here. Let me make it a little bit more opaque or not opaque, whatever the word is, right? That's our range. We're waiting to take the low, we're waiting to take the high. Simple as that. Nothing crazy going on here. That's the low, that's the high. And that's our range. And this is the level I want to see it close above, is this yellow line. Right? Nothing more, nothing less. Don't go too crazy. It's only a Wednesday. Bro, I used to hit up like a private beach on a Wednesday, and get home at 9 a.m. partying all night. That was 2021. That was all 2021 was. That was what 2021 entailed. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out. I will see you guys in the Discord later. Perhaps I'll see you tomorrow, perhaps not. I'll at least make a video for you guys, so you guys will see me even if I don't see you. But I'm gonna head out, guys, and I will catch y'all in the next one.